Hi, yoga buddies! Welcome to Yoga with Jade and Mel. Today, we're doing a gentle and easy yoga flow to help your body feel calm and happy. If you like yoga, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's move slowly and have fun together. Sitting cross-legged, spine tall, shoulders relaxed, hands resting on knees. Chin neutral, soft smile. From easy pose, lift the right arm overhead and gently lean to the left, keeping both sitting bones grounded. Repeat on the left side. On all fours, round your spine toward the sky. Tuck chin to chest, arms straight, belly pulled in. On all fours, drop belly slightly, lift chest and head, shoulders relaxed, gentle smile. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. Form an upside-down V, hands and feet pressing into the mat. Legs long, spine stretched, head relaxed between arms. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Fold forward from the hips, knees slightly bent, hands reaching toward the floor, head relaxed and heavy. Stand tall with both feet grounded, legs straight, arms relaxed by your sides, chest open, shoulders soft, looking forward with a calm gaze. From mountain pose, lift both arms overhead, palms facing each other, shoulders relaxed. Stand on one leg, start right leg, place the other foot on your calf or inner thigh, hands together at heart or lifted overhead. Repeat on left leg. Sitting with legs extended, hinge from the hips and fold forward, reaching toward feet with a long spine. Lying flat on back, legs relaxed, arms by sides with palms up, soft belly, eyes closed, peaceful expression. Sit comfortably. Place hands on the belly and take slow breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth, feeling the body relax. You did an amazing job today. Your body moved so gently and your breathing was wonderful. If you enjoyed this easy yoga flow, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your yoga buddies. See you next time. Namaste.